Hi.
Okay.
Guys,
Make sure to like and subscribe.
make sure to like and subscribe.
Hold the camera up,
please.
Okay.
So we got our
Brand new one in
instruction.
Yep.
Wow,
So-
we can go up to 20 long.
Yeah, it's a 20-inch long bar. So
Well, that's
okay.
not bad. That's
Not bad, not bad.
So we'll take out the bar and we can set it down right here. The corners, okay. Then we have our tools.
We never show
And the
you.
glove. Just like flip it around. Oh,
We never show you this part of the video first.
the bar thingy is on here. So
Yeah.
okay. We got
This
our
is nice.
Guys, we don't really show you.
and we got our chain. Okay. Let's look at it. Oh, nice mixing bottle. And the chainsaw.
Wow, we never show you this part.
Please subscribe, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah. No. Cut that out.
Okay.
Guys,
Well, actually, no.
we're maybe gonna end the video in a second.
Okay. Let's see. Like this.
End of the video, so get to our video.
Okay, so let's get all of our tools out. Okay, there we go.
You see that right there?
You see that?
Let's put our bar thing on.
Boop.
The cool part is we can put a different one on real quick.
There's not that much.
Thank you,
that have,
guys.
YouTube. There's a lot of people.
Please
but-
subscribe. Please. Please.
Please stop. You don't say that.
Okay.
Yep.
Put that part on. Let's
Yeah.
tighten it up a little bit. Oh boy.
Oh, what the heck?
Can you cut that out?
It's okay.
Cut that out.
I'm not cutting that out.
Now let's open
I
our
didn't even cut it out.
chain. Throw that in
Yeah,
there.
that's split on one.
There's our bar.
Ooh, that's actually.
There's
Boom!
nothing on it. So.
Yeah, that's what a chainsaw would look when it's a brand new without its blade.
And it doesn't have any logos, so that's cool.
Yeah, it's actually brand new.
Well, it is brand new.
Yeah, cool.
But we'll see how nice it is.
If it is,
The
probably be.
Okay.
who just said that?
The camera.
No, I'll bet I should have hit the little brother.
Okay, so got the chain on.
Hey, stop! Don't come in.
Let's put this on.
Yep, the chain thing.
Hey, Dylan.
This chainsaw is hard to like make.
It's kind of like the last one, the deep bolt.
It looks like the
It
default
kinda
one
looks like
in the
the
other
new one,
video.
Yeah, but
But it's not really the default one.
Okay, we just have to adjust this so it goes in. There we go. Yep.
this never happens in the video.
The video's
Oh!
wonderful.
Mosquito blood. Oh, my blood.
Mosquito blood?
Yeah, they stick my blood.
Hey.
Ugh.
Okay. Okay, so we almost got this thing put together. It's just we need to tighten up this chainsaw belt. So, need to release this a little bit and then start cranking on this. Oh. Huh. I gotta take this off and figure out which way it goes because yep. Come on. Okay, so chainsaw belt, chain. Okay, come on, go on. Come on, little man. Okay, that looks good. So, oh, I see what's up. Okay, so this one. Okay, so one. Oh, there we go. So we can. There we go. We can put the screw back on, bolt on. Oh. And we just gotta tighten it up now. Make sure it's going right in place. Tighten it up. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. This one on. Wow, good job. So, it's a 58cc chainsaw. That should do fairly well. Okay. Turn on. So, that's how you turn it off. The trigger. And you, I guess you can lock it, and then you have your choke. Okay, guys, let's put this in the car and let's go to the land.
Okay.
Are we gonna record it in the car?
No.
Why not?
Okay, I'm pushing in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Guys, look.
After running the chainsaw, you have to just adjust the chain a little bit.
Confident.
So we're gonna go back for our tools.
This looks good, right?
Hey, it runs very nicely, so I'm fairly impressed.
Yeah.
Because me buying this one, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna be any good. So that's nice. Okay, tighten up my bar again.
Yep.
What's this here? There's something like a snip on each.
Tighten that up. Put my tools back up. And the nice thing is, I got a sharpener with it. 6 feet. That's about bad.
Yep.
So I'm gonna cut 6 feet off of that one. So
6 feet.
yeah, might be able to use it for. Oh.
Police officer.
Yep.
Here we go.
Huh?
That cut it pretty darn fast. That cut faster than the deep roll.
That cuts very nicely. I'm fairly
It
darn
cuts
impressed.
fast.
Man!
It's
Guys!
faster than deep roll.
Yeah!
So, another 6 feet is right about there. So,
This is nice. But after this one, you do it on a big tree probably. Maybe.
yep, I'll try it on the move.
Yeah, because it looks pretty darn good.
Yep. I'm going to go ahead and take a piece off of this, and I want to see how this chainsaw cuts. It's been doing pretty darn good, so I'm fairly impressed. Oh, wow.
Guys, we did it.
I'm fairly darn impressed by this thing. It starts nice, works nice,
And it takes wood out.
and only time will tell us.
Yep.
Only can